Hey YouTube Nation, it's the Homemade Game Guru, and after long last, here's another video. But I am planning to become more consistent making videos again. Even though I have a full-time job, even though I have my young family to take care of, you know, I actually started to miss making things, and more importantly, I'm actually starting a brand new business, brand new website for pretty much selling and offering my design services and my unique cardboard products for everyone to check out. So I'll be sharing information about that very soon. But in this one, I'm actually gonna start off with a book that I published quite some time ago, and I realized all this time I've never made a YouTube video about it, even though this book is directly related to this channel. And that book is this, The Cardboard Bible. I originally came out with this in 2015. It was a way for me to branch out my Homemade Game Guru brand. It was actually after I did the cardboard treadmill, which is one of the crafts featured, and I got into quite a few newspapers and televised news for such a crazy, ostentatious design that I thought, let me do a craft book that goes beyond traditional craft books that just show you simple little knickknacks that you can make for kids or adults, and really show how to make more complex, multifaceted designs that you can make with just cardboard and glue, but you have to put a little bit of a challenge and work into it. So let me introduce you to my book, The Cardboard Bible, that it's still available online at Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and I think a couple of other sellers. At one point, it was in the top 100 papercraft books on Amazon. I think it's still in the top 500, but I'm really proud of the work that I put into this. I'm rediscovering it myself, and I want to share it with all of you guys as well. Alright everyone, so here I'm going to show you what's involved with my book, The Cardboard Bible, originally published in 2015. I've sold over about 500 copies of it since then. I haven't done huge promotions for it whatsoever, and a lot of it's just by word of mouth or people who just stumble upon it on Amazon especially, but it's also on Barnes & Noble, and there's digital versions as well. But I'm very proud of the work I put into this book. All of this is me. I have my own ISBN number, UPC, all that stuff. Printed in the US, but of course made here in Canada. And this was my way of really showing people how to make larger, more complex adult level crafts that have longevity and can be used extensively. So that's why there's only 5, but altogether this is a 112-page book, I believe. And so this is all my design, my introduction, and then what I do is of the 5 crafts, so an ab roller, to me it's ridiculous that people pay like $30–40 for an ab roller when you could do the same thing for less than $5. A transforming cardboard sword, which I think is a cool toy or prop for people to use, so one base can become multiple swords. My famous cardboard treadmill that got me into the news, my C-table design, and I did a video on this for Attack on Titan, and how to make your own foosball table, again completely out of cardboard and glue, no nails involved. There's some advertising, some people advertise in my book, but and you know, this is all my own unique layout. So made the frames, everything has the same kind of frame made out of cardboard, step-by-step instructions, some graphics thrown in there just for the fun of it, word bubbles, just giving additional advice and hints. And then what is unique, well, I feel is unique to my book, is that I add in templates that are to spec. And what I mean by that is if you actually scan these in, these templates, they will actually tell you how big it is, and then if you blow it up to the percentage that is outlined. Let me give you an example. So okay, here's the C table. So with the C table, if you look here where my pinky finger is, it'll tell you if you scan this image in, so these in, and blow it up by 167.27%, that'll be the exact size you need to make the actual concept that I'm showing you. So, and I give you the template for everything, every piece, every component. You have the template, and then it tells you how big you need to make it, so that you actually have the physical template that you need. And so I really want to help people, you know, produce something that is realistic. Again, complex crafts, but by the end, I made sure to be very thoughtful and the step-by-step instructions and what you need, all materials, outlining everything you need, so you actually have a finished product by the time you're done. So this is the Cardboard Bible. Check it out. I really need to put more effort into promoting it, and that's what I'm doing with this video, realizing again that I've never done a video for this product before, but I am incredibly proud of it. Looking through this again and all the work I put in, the months of work I put into it, and I want to do another one. I want to make a Cardboard Bible Part 2 showing how to make things like a cardboard pool table, another game like a 3D board game design, show you how to do like a family tree board game, show you how to make a whole bunch of plethora of very unique, even standees, what have you, glow-in-the-dark concepts. So I'll let you know if I go forward with that, or if I actually crowdfunded this book originally, and I think GoFundMe. I didn't reach my goal, but I did get enough backing to actually come out with the book, so I'm happy about that. And I actually give a shout out in the back. Let's see, where's the last page? That's my Udemy course for the Family Tree board game. But see, on the last page, I give respect to where respect is due to those people who helped me finance this book. So we'll see what happens in the future. But please, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, check it out, the Cardboard Bible. Really love your support. Let me know what you think. If you even create any of this stuff, share with me, and I'll definitely share it with my followers as well. And if I go forward with another edition, Cardboard Bible Part 2, I'll definitely reach out to everyone and let you know what's involved with that. And yeah, so this is my way of sharing my love of cardboard crafting with everyone. You take care. Hope you enjoy it.